Hello squad, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and I saw somebody do something. I can't find the post. I don't know who did it. If I can figure it out, I'm gonna shout them out all over the place, because as soon as I saw the nails, knew I had to do them. I do not have exactly what I want to create these, so you know I'm a mixer. I'm gonna mix it up. We're using some of my powders and some of my pigments. Some of my pigment powders and some of my chrome powders. That's better. Hello, words. Hello. So this is a blue. We're gonna mix up. You're gonna see all the colors mixed up except orange. I messed up and did not have the camera rolling when I mixed that one up. So my apologies, but you've seen me mix up orange a lot recently. So you're gonna forgive me for that. I know it. I know you. You're the bomb like that. Whoo! So we're gonna mix up this red, and so we've got blue, red. We're going to have green, yellow, orange. Yeah, that's all. Oh, and white. So you're gonna see me, I believe, mix up all of the colors except for the orange. And I'm almost out of frame on this white one, but you do get to see most of it. And this doesn't have actual chrome powder in it, because there wasn't a white chrome. There's a silver, but I didn't want it to be silver. So it's the regular white pigment and then the shimmery one, which is probably more of a mica situation. And there it is. We're just gonna mix those in. So maybe my voice sounds a little tired. I'm not sure. It sounds a little tired from inside my head. You'll let me know. Last night, my daughter and her husband wanted to go out. And so they went out for a little while, and then they came home way earlier than I expected them. And I'm like, hello. And they're like, we got a room. And I'm like, okay, go. So I spent the night sleeping with my grandson last night, and he sleeps like a wild banshee. He is a crazy child when he's sleeping. So there's just no good rest when you're sleeping with him. At one point I woke up and his leg is across my neck, and it was really, really not fun. Although the rest of the time was super, super fun. So, and here we are with the green. The green is really, really pretty. I love it so much. And then we're gonna mix up the yellow. There's not a yellow per se in the chrome, but there's a very yellow gold. And so that's what I use to mix in with it so that I get that shine. There's just something about adding the chrome colors to it that really give it a glow from within sort of look, and that was what I was going for with this look. And here we go. We're just about done. Now, before I start using these, I did let them all sit a little bit, and as you can see, it's pretty thick. This is actually builder gel, and we will get into why I did that in just a second. So this is what we're doing today. We're doing airheads, and this is the first nail that I got right. Okay, so once I got it right, I knew it was time to start showing you what I was doing. And what we're gonna do is just make these stripes. But if you try to make the stripes all at the same time, as you can imagine, I'm sure you're thinking it through in your head right now, those gels are going to mix together. They're going to start to ombre. That's just the nature of it. They're gonna mix. And so you absolutely do have to go in and cure each individual line. Well, the first one needs to be on its own cured, but then you can do the two on each side and then do the last two. So that is what took me a long time with this set, is that I did a little bit of trial and error. I tried a lot of things before I figured out exactly what was gonna work, which makes me feel like, duh, I should have realized right away how to do it. But sometimes, until you get into a project, you don't really know what's gonna happen until it happens. So that's okay. I've decided to not beat myself up about it and transcend the situation and just let myself be able to make mistakes, right? Because that's how you learn. So we're just finishing up our stripes. And then we're going to come in and do, because I found at the store 2 different kinds of the sour belts. The other, at the end, there's some reveal shots and you'll see both of the kinds of belts that there are. There's one that's all the rainbowy color. And then the other pack is just red, white, and blue. And so we did some of each. I'm going to show you one of each nail. And then we're going to sugar them all together. Whew, that was a lot of explanation, but it's a very simple set. As long as you just make your lines nice and straight and you make sure that you cure in between each section so they don't bleed together, it's going to come out really crisp and really pretty. I was trying at first to just do all the lines and sugar it and then cure it. But here's why that's a bad idea over and above the fact that they bleed together. The other reason is that you want to sugar a no wipe top coat. So that was a big mistake I was making right there, because if you're not sugaring the no wipe top coat, you could definitely have some sticky layer that you're feeling even with the glitter. And you don't want to have to wipe that glitter really hard to get that sticky layer off. You just want to be able to put down your top coat, lay down your sugaring, and then be done. Just that's it. Your set is finished. So that was a big learning thing that I had to do. I should have realized that in the first place. And honestly, I feel kind of, again, duh, that I didn't get that. But it's okay. I'm just going to let myself make that mistake. So here we are finishing up the blue on the red, white, and blue ones. This would be real pretty if you were celebrating, the 4th of July. So that would be pretty to do that as a set. So here we are sugaring. I was just testing one before I did all of them. And just want to make sure you get every part of the nail sugared. And so now we're going to come in and top coat the rest and get those all glittered up. My only qualm about the set, honestly, is the glitter. This glitter is white, but it's also got a pink and green shift to it, and I would wish that it didn't. And it's why I have yet to find a really good, just plain shiny white glitter that doesn't have some sort of color shift to it. I just want shiny white. So if you know where that is, let me know. Tell me what store has it. I look for it all the time. I never ever find it. And I feel like it's out there. I know it's out there. I see other people use it. So I just need to find it. I need to just find it. Because, every store doesn't carry every kind of glitter, right? So if you know where it is, hit my comments while you're down there. I got some buttons. I would really like it if you push to them, because I'm growing this channel. And my goal right now is 500 by the end of the year. So please help me get that by sharing, commenting, liking, subscribing. Boost me up in that algorithm. We're going to go viral one day. I know we are. And you are going to be part of that. That's kind of exciting, right? I love it when I watched a video that goes viral. It's like, oh, I'm part of that. I'm part of that viral situation. It kind of gives you a connection feeling, right? I like that. Look at how pretty the sugaring is. Oh my goodness. And tell me these don't look like sour belts. Guys, this is the finished set. I don't have them sitting on this correctly so that all the tops are lined up, and that looks kind of wonky. So I'm sorry for that. I'm usually a little better at that. Not today though, not today. But these are exactly what I was seeing when I saw the other tech do them. This is exactly what I had in my mind when I decided I wanted to do this set. And I really, really hope that you like them as much as I do. I think I would actually wear these, even though sugared nails aren't 100% my thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's the reveal shots. Tell me I nailed that, right? We're gonna see you next time. Bye-bye.